Welcome everybody, my name is BjornBehrendt from EdListen, and I want to show you how to install File Distributor and how that works. What you're looking at right now, path.edlisten.com, is a series of personal learning plan templates that you can use, and File Distributor was created to distribute those personal learning plans to students. It has many other uses for, it can distribute anything, but that's what its intended purpose was for. So first of all, I'm going to File Distributor, and I'm going to click on this. This will be available in the add-on store once it's finally published. Right now, it's currently in beta and going through the review process. I'm going ahead and click Free for install. Let it finish loading. Okay, File Distributor needs your permission to run, so we're going to click Continue. Run it as me. This app isn't verified is only temporary. Again, once it is verified, the screen will no longer exist. Meanwhile, I'm going to click Advanced and then go to File Distributor. As you see, it needs to be able to see, edit, and create and delete your Google Drive files. That is because it's going to be adding files to you and to your Google Drive and making copies and sharing. It's the whole purpose of the add-on. And to view and manage the spreadsheets is to be able to edit the spreadsheet that you are in or that the application is installed in. So I'm going to click Allow. Once you're in, you can go to File Distributor and Setup. You can give it a prefix. Mostly, since I'm using it with the PLP, I'm suggesting PL path and the year. The template file ID, you can choose that. And it should pop up with some listing of things. I'm actually going to look for presentations. And I created an example one. I just needed to find it right here. And it just brings the ID. Likewise, you can also just grab the ID itself. The folder, same thing. Our test students folder, select, and set up. This is that spreadsheet permissions where it is editing this particular spreadsheet. Once it is up, you can see that you have a settings menu right here. This is where you can re-edit the information from that initial setup menu, or you can go to the data and you can start editing, adding things in. The fields that you need to edit are the name, edit rights, comment rights, and view rights. So if I put my student name in there, and for this template, I'm going to student one at that, and let's say that we give the teacher comment rights. Another student, two at okay. So the idea is that you'd put all the students in. whether they get edit rights and comment rights. And what it'll do is it'll make a copy of that template and give that student edit rights to the copy and the teacher comment rights. So it's a way that you can distribute copies out to every single student. At this point, we're going to go back to File Distributor. Notice that changed from Setup to Distribute. So we're going to click Distribute. And it should go through. Yep, there you go. It created a version for Cameron now. And it should continue to create one for Torrance. There you go. And if we open up one of these, what you'll see is that the student one will have edit rights and the teacher will have comment rights. And this copying is what that second permission is used for, why it needs that drive access. It's because it placed that file in the student test folder. And that's why it needed that permission to enter into it. If I look at it and I go to the eyeball, view details, you'll see that student 2 is a contributor, so editor, and teacher 1 is a commenter right in there. So hopefully this is a very helpful tool for you. Thank you very much. And let's go back to here. Again, you can grab this at path.edlisten.com. Thank you very much and never stop learning.